This PowerPoint is about phonics instruction. We talked in Module 1 about phonemic awareness, that's all about sound. Then we talked about the alphabetic principle where we're starting to connect the letter symbols with the sounds. And now this one is called phonics instruction. Phonics is working more with that sound-symbol relationship. There's a lot of things in phonics instruction that goes from very simple to the very complex. Typically, you would be working on phonics skills starting in kindergarten and up probably through second grade or early third grade. Depends on the children, again, how much instruction you need to do. So it could be at any age, and you might have to, with older students, go back and find the areas that maybe they're struggling with phonics instruction. So let's go on through and we'll look at some of the things that you need to know.